Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. Today, I'm going to walk you through a full guide on how to transfer your WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android using iCareFone Transfer. If you're looking to move your WhatsApp chats from your iPhone to your Android device, just follow along. First, connect both your iPhone and Android phone to your computer. For best results, use a USB 3.0 port for faster transfer speeds. Now, launch iCareFone Transfer. In iCareFone Transfer, choose WhatsApp. Set your iPhone as the source and your Android phone as the destination. Then, click Transfer at bottom. You might be prompted to enable USB debugging on your Android device. Just follow the steps. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll to the bottom and tap About Phone. Then tap Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it multiple times until Developer Mode is enabled. Go back to Settings and you'll now see Developer option. Tap it, scroll down, and enable USB debugging. Back on iCareFone, it may ask if you want to back up your Android data. If you don't have WhatsApp installed on your Android yet, just hit Continue. Now your WhatsApp data on the iPhone will start backing up. Please be patient during this process. Once that's done, you'll need to verify your WhatsApp account. Select your country code, enter your WhatsApp phone number, and click Verify. iCareFone will now generate the transferable data. You can choose what you want to move and click Continue. Next, go to your Android phone and download WhatsApp from the Play Store. Once installed, open it up. Choose your language and log in with your phone number. Tap Yes, then enter the 6-digit code to complete verification. Now it's time to restore your WhatsApp data. Tap Restore, and then select I used an encryption key instead at the bottom. It'll ask for a 64-digit encryption key. But don't worry, there's an easier way. Just click one-click key filling on iCareFone. Boom, done. Tap Next, and your WhatsApp data will start restoring. Once it's complete, tap Next again to check the results. All your messages and photos have been successfully restored. And that's it. That's the complete process of using iCareFone Transfer to move WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. Pretty simple, right? No factory reset needed like the old methods. Hope this guide helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.